Welcome back, guys, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Today we are on Virgin Cruise Line and we are staying in a Sea Terrace room, or also known as a balcony room. We want to take a moment to show you around the room and everything that this room category has to offer. Hey guys, we're here on Virgin Cruise Line and this is our balcony room. So we chose to do this one because this is one of the most popular rooms on a Virgin Cruise Line and it's the one they have the most of. So we wanted to show you guys around, give you an idea if maybe this room is right for you. Unlike some other cruise lines, this one doesn't have a couch area, but you do have this nice little chair here with a leather back and it's actually pretty comfy. I kind of like this. You get used to this. And this extra large headboard, I think, if maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, Nikki will correct me because she does a lot. This is supposed to turn into a couch too, right?
Well, initially that was the plan, and I think they figured out that was just not feasible.
Okay.
So as far as I know, they don't do that anymore.
So they won't do it, but initially this was supposed to turn into a couch during the day, and then they would come in at night or in the evening and put it out and make a bed out of it. So you had a room to lounge in, watch TV, and then you had your bed for sleeping. So when you first come in, as you can see, you have two different, well, it's the same water choices, but they don't have plastic bottles here or cups that they give you. So you do have refillable water that they refill daily. So you do have a couple cups here, you can fill it up, and you have two regular water bottles. This is available for purchase if you want it. It's $25. It's a cork and screw, so it's like a sextant that they had, on ships for navigating. But this one's a bottle opener here, and I don't know how the cork and screw thing works, but I think it comes apart here. So if you want to buy this, it's $25. So you can take this home with you. So we're going to put it back down because I don't think I want to buy it. Another thing that they have is this iPad, this tablet here. I guess it's not an iPad, but tablet. And it's connecting, but you have all different types of movies and things on here. And you can also control your room controls in here. So your thermostat, your lighting, everything is right here at your fingertips. You can put this next to your bed. And if you want to turn on TV or find a movie or something to watch, it's all right here on this tablet. I think this is really handy and it's pretty neat. You can close your curtains, dim your lights, turn your lights off, all without having to get out of bed. If you look over here, this is like I guess like a TV tray, something you can pull up here. You can put your stuff on that, watch TV, you can set up, eat. This is kind of neat. I just noticed this. I had an ADD moment. Somebody left something on there. But this has got the constellations on it. It's kind of neat. Like Leo, I don't know. Can you see that? Can they see it? Can you see it? Can
you see me in my camera.
Can you see it?
I see you.
But anyway, I don't know if you can see this or not, but we'll do our best. Did you know there was a pizza constellation? Yeah, it's right here. It says so. Pizza belt.
Oh boy.
And there's a rock star too. Rock star. Yeah. Is that
somehow I feel like this is not an accurate map of real constellations.
Maybe it's got Leo and Mick Jagger. I mean, come on. Did you know Mick Jagger was a constellation? It's kind of neat. Anyway, put this back. I'll continue my trip. Over here next to the bed, you have your light switches. If you decide that you're a rebel and you don't really want to use the iPad, because I don't know why you wouldn't want to, but there are light switches for you old-fashioned people. And over here, this is a bed. It's actually pretty comfy. This is, I'll tell you now, this is our second cruise on Virgin, so we did really like the beds the first time. Sleeping on them, they were very comfortable, had great pillows and stuff. This is another like little TV tray that you can keep here on this armrest, so you can keep your drink, your stuff. Over next to the bed, they do have, I don't know if you can see it. Can they see it?
I'm gonna let them see it.
Okay. So you have some USB outlets and a regular outlet, and then also switches over there. And then above the bed, you do have some reading lights. If you want to read while you're on a cruise, I don't know why you would.
Hey, don't knock it, man. I like to read on a cruise.
Yeah, you can read, I guess.
It's relaxing.
Relaxing. So let's go outside. Out here, they did tell us that these doors are set up to where if it's unlocked and open, the air conditioner shuts off. So if you are out here, the air conditioner is not going to run. If you come in and you just push the door shut and you don't lock it down, then you're not going to have air conditioner. So make sure that once you shut this door, you lock it back so you can get that. So let's go out on the balcony.
Don't fall out on the balcony.
I think I did that on the last video too. So out here is, oh, this is a nice little hammock area, and these are one of those seating hammock. This is going to be a blooper reel, I have a feeling. So, look at that.
Look at you.
Yeah, I did it.
It's the only time you'll get to sit in it. The rest of the time it's mine.
Right. So this is one of your favorite spots, but I do like this. They do have a lot of room out here with this, and our view is okay. We do have a lifeboat down here, though. It's kind of different.
You know, I mean, so there's a lifeboat. It's fine. It's fine. We're on a ship. What do we have to complain about? So I can see the deck below us. But I can still see the ocean, so I'm here.
So how's the hammock?
It's as wonderful as I remember. I don't know why we don't have one at home.
Because you didn't buy one soon enough?
Oh yeah, that's right. They sold out. If you want a hammock, don't buy it on the last night. They do sell out.
Yeah. We'll spend some time out here, but most of it is going to be up on top. There's lots of shows that go on in the evening. So I don't know how much time we'll actually spend out here on the balcony. But still, it's a nice view. So let's go back inside. Are you done in there yet?
Dude!
Here's the bathroom. It's, you know...
How bad?
Hey, I'm going to talk to you here. Hey, this is your typical bathroom that you'd find on most cruise lines. But down here, you have your glasses. So they still have glasses in here instead of little plastic cups like some cruise lines have, or those disposable cups. You have, you know, your basic standard toiletries, bars of soap, your towels, toilet. And in here they do have your stand-up shower. So they have the rain shower option, and they have a wand here on the side with, of course, your body wash, your hair wash, body wash, and conditioner. So overall, hey, where are you at?
What?
Come control this thing. Overall, the shower is pretty tall. Ow! Watch your foot right there, though. That'll get you. I didn't even notice that thing. It just kind of sticks up there. But I'm 6'2", so if you're, I don't know, 6'8", you're probably going to hit your head. You have a little bit of room there, but most of it is not too bad. If you're a bigger guy, you know, I don't know if I'm, let's say, real stocky or not, but it's a little cramped in here. You have to kind of get in to close the door. So if you are a bigger person, you may have to suck it in a little bit, or I don't know, put soap on the wall and turn circles.
No. That's an older cruise ship thing.
Oh.
Older Carnival and Royal and Princess. This
Well,
is a spacious shower compared to those.
It is a little bit bigger compared to some of those. I would agree with that. And some of the other ones that we've been on, it is a little bit better. It doesn't have the shower head on the wall where you're having to duck down to get under it. It does have this overhead, which is really nice. So, and it does have a little bit, some holders here. Some of the other ships don't have places for your toiletries, but this one does. It's not real big, but they have it. There you go. There's the bathroom. So I'm going to let Nikki tell you about the storage areas and the mini fridge. Show them the mini fridge.
The mini fridge is hiding right here. It is a mini fridge for sure.
And it's not stocked. I was really hoping for, to open it up and have some beer or something in it, but...
Yeah, you're not special, sorry.
Yeah, I'm not special.
We're not rock stars this time.
I knew I wasn't special. You tell me that.
Keep you humble. Let's see, where's the rest of the storage? Well, there's some storage under here, I think. Oh, yep, that's a drawer. Gotta move the table to get to the drawer. Not exactly ideal. And I think, yeah, so there's another drawer under here, but it appears to hold extra bedding. So that's really not for us to use. And it won't close. Cool. Not bad. Don't mess with that drawer. It's over here. Oh, nope, that's not supposed to come off. I didn't do that.
She broke it.
I didn't do it.
You broke it.
I didn't do it. Look, I fixed it. It's all better. Somebody joked it was IKEA furniture. It feels a little IKEA-like.
What's in there?
A closet. And
Yeah,
life
it's-
jackets I hope to never need.
Life jackets, evidently.
What's in here? Oh, a hairdryer. A safe. It's a safe with something in it.
That's
Oh
my
wait, that's
GoPro.
yours. Okay. We did not hit the jackpot. Drawers. More drawers. Hanging space. Baskets. Shelves. So, you know, standard closet. Nothing exciting.
And it has a couple hooks here too, so you can hang some things on. You're just playing with the curtains?
Well, I don't think the curtain like goes all the way across. See? Like you can't, I mean it kinda, I guess it does, but it's okay. Are you laughing at me?
So what do you think of the room?
I like it. I still think it's better than a balcony room on any other cruise ship.
I think so too. It's set up a lot different than any other ships that we've been on. It's not your traditional stateroom by any means. I mean, you've got a leather chair here.
I mean, you know, still beats the heck out of the older ships.
Yeah, true.
Now the newer, bigger Royal and things like that, those are nice too.
They are, yeah.
They've all got their own character. This has a different character.
None of them have a pizza constellation platter, though.
That is very true.
If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next adventure.